In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Go2bank account online. This process is straightforward and secure, ensuring that your financial information stays protected while giving you easy access to it anytime you need. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. In the address bar, type in www.go2bank.com and press enter. You'll be directed to the Go2bank homepage, which is designed to give you a seamless banking experience online. Now, at the top right corner of the page, you should see an option labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on that. You're now taken to the login page where you need to enter two crucial pieces of information: your registered email and your password. These credentials were set up when you opened your Go2bank account, and they are critical to accessing your online banking portal. Carefully type in your email address, making sure there are no typos, and then proceed to enter your password into the designated field. It's important to double check your entries to avoid any login errors. Next, if the system asks for additional verification, you're likely to see a prompt for security verification, which is an added layer of protection for your account. This could involve entering a security code that Go2bank will send to you, typically to your registered mobile number or email. Once you receive this code, input it promptly in the space provided so that the login process can continue smoothly. After you have input all the necessary information and completed any security checks, click on the Login button. This action will, assuming everything was correctly input, grant you access to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your account balance, review your recent transactions, manage payments, and take advantage of all the features that Go2bank offers its customers. If, for some reason, you run into issues while trying to log in, it might be helpful to try resetting your password using the Forgot Password link on the login page. Be sure to have access to your email or phone for any verification steps required during the reset process. And that's it! You're now able to access your Go2bank account online with ease. Remember to always log out when you're finished, especially if using a shared or public device, to ensure your information remains secure. Keep your login details updated and secret, and enjoy the convenience and efficiency of managing your banking online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating your Go2bank online experience.